Hello guys, good day. Here I am again. This time I will be teaching you how to make a wallet size calendar using Microsoft Publisher. So this is another project for you to learn. Okay, let us open the Microsoft Publisher and select the template, the calendars, and then it's already loading. Then you scroll it down to search for the wallet size calendar. So we have here three styles. We have boxes, lines, open. I will be using boxes. Okay, since we have here to customize the color scheme, the font scheme, so I will change this one since this is too big to, I will just use the default one. Okay, then I will change the style of the calendar. Instead of landscape, I will be using portrait because the photo that I'm going to attach is in portrait style. And then since I want to have 1 year per page, all months are present, so I will be clicking 1 year per page, and then you can set the calendar dates. Okay, we have here January 2015 to December 2015. Then click OK, then create. Okay, so that's our uh, calendar. You can just add now some design. And so I think I can add little of calendar 2015. You can add some colors in this. So let us see, I want to color this with and so since I'm a girl, I'll be using this color. Then for this box, you can also change the wheels design by either selecting which one. You have different designs to choose from. It's up to you. Because of the background. This one. Not fit the color. I'll change the color. You can set the background color and have the effects. So if you want to change the style, the background, you can make it darker, you can make it lighter, just like that, make it lighter. So because of that as our calendar, and then in the first page of the second page, and then on the second page, you can add now another page for the photo. That is after page, you can have current page, and then that's it. You can also put some background on this, or you can add some borderline if you want. And let us see, I want to put some border accent. So we have here different border accents. This is the same color or match color with your calendar. Can select this one. So you can just adjust this size. Let's adjust. Parang ayaw mag-adjust. Make it smaller. And then you can adjust the size. Just pick the border to other page. So my cursor is not really functioning well. Parang very slow yung ano. Do it slowly. And then the copy used. Click and drag. And we have to drag it also. Okay, so that's it. And in this time, you can now add a photo that you want to use. So just click insert, then picture. Select the picture that you want to add. Select the photo that you want to select it. Okay, then you just resize also the photo. See to it that it will fit in the prepared page. That's really okay. let us try to resize this one. You can also add green in here, but you can also make it blank there. And let us resize. So it's not yet functioning. So let us have drag and click and drag. Okay, that's it. The AutoCAD. And then down. Okay, so we are done. It's now ready for printing. If you want to print this one, you can save this one first. And save. So you have page 1 and page 2. Okay, so I will print this photo calendar or wallet size calendar. This is very easy because if you will be using a photo paper, the page will look like this one. You can look at the page. So this will be your page 2. It will have 12 copies, and then this will be your page 1. Page 1. Okay, that will be your page 1. And then after printing, you can just print it back to back, and then it's now ready uh, for use. You can cut this out. You can make at least 12 calendars. If you want to reproduce again, so you can do that. Okay, thank you again for watching. See you in my next tutorial.